What's going on, pumpkin people? Let's go check out our plant behind us. Stick around. All right, starting at the rear of the plant here. The main vine's over there. Well, the tip, I should say, is over there. And the stump is right here. We got our first secondary coming out. And we're starting to bury. This secondary right here. Stunted. Didn't come out right there. It's okay. Hoping we'll get a tertiary and I'll try to wrap it and run it alongside this secondary. And then yeah, we got some secondary starting to fill out here. They're a little low off the ground, which just means I think I need a touch more nitrogen. We had a first male flower open up over there, and here's another secondary vine coming out right there. Overall, plant health is looking pretty good. We're at about 9 feet or so. And we'll take a look at this side. It's just starting to, all these secondaries are starting to poke out here. Starting to bury. Got one right there. There's one back there. It's a little delayed, but it's coming. This secondary, it's a double, but I'm gonna let it grow out just so I can keep filling this area. And another secondary here. This one's a little low. And look at, we have a little baby pumpkin. It's a little too early and a little too close. I want about a minimum 15 secondaries behind that pumpkin. So I'm gonna let that pumpkin open up, I think tomorrow, but we won't be keeping it. And then right there at the tip, you can see another female. And that'll be about 14 or 15 secondaries, which would put it out about here. So that one, I'll probably pollinate the next one. And if that one takes, that'll be our plan B. And ideally, the next one after that one, the tip, would be our keeper. But in this hobby, nothing's guaranteed. So all in all, pretty good. It's been raining past couple days. Weed pressure starting, so I'm trying to push back the weeds, clean it up as the plant's growing. I kind of like the idea of weeds. Holds down the nutrients in the patch. And then I got my pitchfork here. I'm not really turning the soil. I'm just putting it in and gently just pulling up on it. That's kind of what the method I'm doing, I think, this year in. And then just a little bit up, and then maybe just break up the top layer. But I really don't want to flip it over and ruin the biology that's going on in there. Trying something new this year. Semi no-till, I'll call it. But all in all, looking pretty good. I think by next week we'll be filling out in this area, and these vines will be over here, I would say. But I think she's really starting to kick into gear now. But pretty happy with the progress. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to our page. Tell a friend, and until next time, grow 'em big.